All right, coming to the green flag next time by. Got Ron to your inside. You can get him here on this restart. Just roll him early. Go, 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 go. Still there? You see him? You see him? You're clear. Clear. Take it. Take it. Take it. Inside. You're even. Even. Clear low. Take it. Take it. Take it. If you're comfortable up on that high side, you keep running that. But he can roll you on the bottom there when you run the top. He's even. You see him. Caution's out. Caution's out. Coming to the choose here. Good choice on the top there. You've been getting him on the top. Jake behind you. Ron to your inside. Do what you did on the last restart and you should be fine. He's lagging back a little bit. Go, 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 go. You're clear up. You're clear down, clear down, clear down. Clear by 1. Clear by half to the 56. He's hanging with you on the top. 56 running half a groove lower than you. By 1. Side by side behind you still. 56 still running in line with you. Half back, caution's out. Coming to the choose here. Jake followed you in the 56. You got Ron to your inside. Austin's behind Jake. Keep doing what you've been doing on these restarts. You've been getting them every time. Oh, caution's back out. Calling it back. We had somebody hit the cone, I would guess. Looks like Ron hit the cone, so they're going to send him to the back. That's going to move. It's going to move Colin up to your inside. Alright, we were supposed to say double file here, but everyone kind of single filed out, so we might put the cone back out. Yeah, cone next time. Yeah, I'm not sure what he's doing. Get him, yeah. Cone right now. Maybe try that inside. I know Colin, oh, okay. I guess we're going to the outside. Coming back to the green flag here. Colin to your inside, Jake's behind you, and Brett's behind Colin here. Jumping, go, 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 go. Wow, good restart by Colin there. Clear down, clear down, clear down. Get behind him, cross him. You're still clear all around, clear all around. You see him outside. Still clear behind him. You're clear up by half to Jake. He's got to run. Outside, you see him. There you go. Door, door, clear, 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 clear. Clear by half to the 56. He's on you tight, on you tight. Keep it pinched down here. Don't show him, don't give him that lane to the bottom. By half, with a run on you tight. By half. Close that entry up a little bit. He's getting the look down under you, going in. On every end, close that entry up. He's inside. Inside clear. By half. By 1. By half. By 1. By 1. Clear to the lap car by half. By 2. Good 3 and 4 there. Colin's trying to race him back there. You got no pressure. By 1. Lap car to the outside here. He's still there, still there, still there, still there, still there, clear. On you tight, Jake's on you tight, looking low, inside, inside. Even, he's spun, you're clear, you're clear. Still green, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, still green. By 2, 3 to Colin. By 4. By 1 to Colin. He's closing in on you pretty good here. By 2. You get off the corner better, but he gets you on entry there. Still close that entry up big time. You don't let him get that look in. He slipped up. By 2 to Austin. Got one off the track here. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Green's out, keep rolling. Caution's out, caution's out. Coming to the choose here. Maybe try the bottom on Austin. Yep, there you go. You got Colin behind you, Austin to your outside. Let's try a fast restart here. He can't restart very well because he's fat. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Green, 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 green. Still there. It's your door, door, door. Bumper, 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 door. Rolling high, rolling high. You see him. You see him. Clear behind him. Up, up, up. You're clear all around, clear all around. Colin looking low, inside, inside. Still clear by 1. We got caution 3, caution 3. Check up, check up, check up. Go high, high, high. Coming to the green here. Oh, green, green, green. Still there outside. Got one outside behind him. Ooh. One outside. Gather it back up here. Outside. Clear up, clear up. Hit your marks here, go get them. Clear by 2. He's rolling back hard. He's running that bottom really hard. Watch out for him to make a move here. Just keep it pinned down to that bottom, and he won't be able to make any moves here. By half. He's right with you. Caution is out. Coming to the choose here. Yeah, I was gonna say watch out for him playing some games. He likes to do that. He's a little slow, but not on his restarts or his choose cone. Whoa, coming to the green here. There you go. Get him a good jump there. I like that restart. Still there. Oh, caution's back out. They might be calling you back there. You kind of did jump him, but it's all right. Don't let that get in your head. Stay double file here. They're not gonna re-choose. Stay double file here. Just lay back a little bit more on this restart. Still do what you've been doing. I liked what you did there. They just didn't like it, so keep still give them a little bit of a jump. If you can be side by side going into 1, that would be ideal. Just keep doing what you're doing. It's all good. Stay up on him tight here. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Green, green. You clear up behind him. Clear behind him. Clear up, clear up, clear up. Clear all around. Watch for Colin here behind you. He's itching to make a move. Just keep holding your line. Keep it pinned down to the bottom, and he really likes that bottom, and he'll move you to get up beside you. Still on you tight back there. Just watch out for a move. Keep doing what you're doing here. Halfway. 10 to go. 10 to go. 10 to go. Coming up on some lap traffic here. They should stay high, but just watch out. You're clear. Got one off the track in front of you. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Caution's out. Caution's out. Coming to the choose here. Watch out for him playing those stupid games. Oh, wow. A nice straight and narrow restart out of Austin there. Try and get him with that jump again. Just you get 2 tries at it. Oh, we're waving it off. We must have had someone get into the cones there. We're gonna stay double file here, I think. Yeah, just stay double file here. One to go at the line. Coming to the green here. Just try and get him a little bit of a jump here. You want to be side by side going into one. Green, green. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Whoa. Okay, hopefully they call that back. Yep, caution's out. Caution's out. Not sure what the hell he was doing there. Coming to the green here. Green, green. Go, go, go. You're clear behind him. You're clear up behind him. He had a good restart there. Just keep doing what you're doing. Still keep watch out for Colin behind you. He'll protect that bottom hard. He's on you tight. Caution's back. Coming to the choose here. And I figured he'd do that. Austin to your outside. Colin behind you. Hopefully he doesn't do it. If he does that 3 wide move again, just put him in the infield. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Better restart there. Still there, you see him. Clear behind him. Clear up behind him. Take it up. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. 5 to go. 5 to go. Protect that bottom. Protect it hard. He's on you tight. Still. Caution's out.